How much life insurance do I actually need? All right, let's talk about the number one question I get asked about life insurance. How much life insurance do I need? And that usually comes with one of two facial expressions: total panic or total denial. Sometimes both are present at the same time. People want a magic number, a calculator, a one-size-fits-all answer. And I hate to break it to you, but if someone tells you everyone needs exactly blank, fill in the blank, this amount, you should probably run. Politely, but quickly. The big idea and why this actually matters. Life insurance isn't about you, which, if we're being honest, kind of hurts our feelings. But it's true. Life insurance is about the people who still have bills to pay when you're no longer around to pay them. It's not a lottery ticket. It's not an investment pitch. It's not just something adults are supposed to have. It's a replacement plan. So the real question isn't how much life insurance do I need? The real question is, if I wasn't here tomorrow, what financial mess would I leave behind? Here are 5 steps to consider. Step 1, replace your income, not your lifestyle. Let's start simple. If you're earning income that other people rely on, whether that's your spouse, your kids, family, business partners, then you need to think about income replacement. A common rule of thumb is 10 to 15 times your annual income. Is that perfect? No. Is it a great starting point? Absolutely. If you make $75,000 a year, for example, let's say you need somewhere between $750 and $1.1 million based on that calculation. It sounds like a lot until you remember mortgages last 30 years, kids eat every single day, college is priced like a freaking luxury sports car nowadays. Did you know most people don't think they can afford a Ferrari, but if they're planning to pay for their kids' college, they probably buy a Ferrari. Crazy, right? So step 2, cover the big scary obligations. What bills would still exist if you didn't? Think mortgage, rent, car loans, credit cards, student loans. Sometimes those don't disappear. Business debt, funeral expenses, which no one likes to talk about that one, but here we are talking about life insurance, so I guess we ought to. Life insurance should erase debt, not pass it along like an unwanted family heirloom. Step 3, think about the people you love. This is the serious part. This is where the tone shifts because it should. Ask yourself, would my spouse need time off work to grieve? Would my kids' lives change overnight? Yeah. Would my family have to sell things just to survive? God, I hope not. Life insurance is about buying time. Time to grieve, time to adjust, time to make decisions without panic. No one should be forced to make life-altering financial decisions while grieving someone they love. So step 4, don't forget inflation because life gets more expensive. Everything costs more now than it did 5 years ago. Groceries, yeah. Clothes, yeah. College, oh yeah. Literally everything. So if you're thinking about this amount seems high, remember future dollars buy less than they do today. Being slightly overinsured is usually a blessing. Being underinsured is almost always a regret for those you leave behind. And then step 5, term versus permanent, or cash value insurance, as I like to call it. Most families, especially young families, are best served with term life insurance. Why? It's affordable. It covers the years you actually need protection. It's simple. Permanent or cash value life insurance can make sense in specific situations, but anyone who leads with it before understanding your needs is skipping steps. Skipping steps with life insurance is like skipping brakes on a car. It looks fine until it really, really doesn't. So here's the bottom line. How much life insurance do you need? Enough so that your family can stay in their home, their lifestyle doesn't collapse, their future plans don't disappear, and your absence doesn't become a financial crisis on top of an emotional one. Life insurance is an act of love, a quiet one, a humble one, but it is a powerful one. You're saying to those you leave behind, I won't be here forever, but I've got you covered anyway. And that's a pretty noble thing to do. At INS, that is why we do what we do. We're not here to sell policies. We're not here to push numbers. We're here to help people think clearly about hard things before they come emergencies. We believe protecting what you've been entrusted with is a responsibility, and serving people with honesty, wisdom, and care is a calling. Life insurance isn't about fear. It's about faith in the future and love for the people you leave behind. I'm Michael, in noble service, always.